Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to check how much bigger large mouse icon you will get on your OnePlus mobile or your Android mobile. Okay, you can see here I have Protonix third one mouse. It is turned on. Okay, once again and turn off and turn on. Okay, then you can see the light is blinking and go to my OnePlus mobile, turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, it is connecting. Opening my Bluetooth page and tap on OnePlus. It is connected. Okay, then just showing this one. Okay, mouse is moving and you can see here how much bigger mouse is I get. So this is very useful whenever you are recording with your in a distance. You can see the mouse pointer, and also you can use this mouse pointer as recording or stopping video camera recorders. So it is very useful. I am using it. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.